Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve x plus x equal x times x and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So x plus x equal x times x. So x plus x is 3x equal and this becomes x cubed. Now, if we take this 3x to other side, so 3x cubed minus 3x equals 0. Now, we can take x as common. So, x square minus 3 equals 0. So, first x equals 0 and then x square minus 3 equals 0. This 3, I can write it as root 3 whole square equals 0. Now, I am using the identity that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a minus b times a plus b. So we can write this as x square minus root 3 square equal x plus root 3 times x minus root 3 equals 0. So first x plus root 3 equals 0. So x equal minus root 3. Similarly, x minus root 3 equals 0. So x equal root 3. So three values of x, 0, minus root 3 and x equal root 3. Now, let's check these values. X plus x equal x times x. When x equals 0, so it becomes 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal 0 times 0 times 0. So it's 0 equals 0. So yes, it's verified. Now x equal negative root 3. So it's negative root 3 plus negative root 3 plus negative root 3 equal negative root 3 times negative root 3 times negative root 3. So it becomes negative root 3 minus root 3 equal. This becomes root 3 whole square times negative root 3 we can write. So this gives us 3 root 3 with negative sign and here it is equals to root 3 square is 3, root 3 with negative sign. So it's also verified. Now check with x equal root 3. So x plus x equal x times x. So it's root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 equal root 3 times root 3 times root 3. So it's 3 root 3. And here root 3 times root 3 is 3 and here root 3. So all are verified. So all three values of x are correct. I hope it's equal and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.